Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2012 Toyota Avalon. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, keyless entry, high solar energy absorbing glass, and much more. 17-inch machined alloy wheels, all-season tires, auto projector beam halogen headlamps, wide-angle fog lights, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 68,580 miles. The dual chrome-tipped exhaust, large LED taillights, key fob trunk release, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated leather bucket seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a garage door opener, a locking glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment system with a CD player, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.